At Sunshine Code, our Arabica beans are hand-picked at peak ripeness, ensuring only the finest coffee cherries are selected. Once screened, the selected coffee beans are passed through a machine that gently removes the outer skin, revealing the fresh green beans inside, ready for further processing. After the coffee beans are peeled, they go through a thorough washing process to remove any remaining pulp. The clean beans are then spread out under the sun for drying, allowing them to reach the perfect moisture level for roasting. This drying process ensures optimal flavor and quality. During roasting, coffee beans are gradually dehydrated, expanded, and discolored at high temperatures, and develop specific aromas and flavors. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.